Hi, welcome to day 2 of the Mother's Day Gift Guide 2025. I got you some last minute budget-friendly gifts. All links are below on Amazon. Hi, my name is Oksana. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we did the Plant Mom. Today we're doing the Crafty Mom, and we still have the Faith-Filled Mom, Cozy Mom, Techie Mom, and a few more. This one's a little tricky because unless she's already doing something like vinyl or engraving or painting, I would say to already hone in on her craft and replace something that she already has, or maybe buy something that she needs. But if she's just like a crafty mom that is interested in crafts and artistic, then these are some budget-friendly gifts for you. Get one of those polymer clay starter kits. Something hands-on she can do even as a craft with the kids. The next thing I would say is to get some sort of candle making kit, especially like a non-toxic or a soy. Get some nice essential oils. I love Young Living or doTERRA. I think gone are the days when you just get someone a candle, unless they just don't care much about like fragrance. You could even take it a step further and buy this 30-pack pressed flower candle making kit. This honestly is so fun, especially if she is a woman that enjoys to have candles around the dinner table, or you can even add on these really cute pink candle jars. There's also an ember color that's beautiful. Moving on, I would say chalk paint. These are actually a set of 14 for beginners. This is nice whenever she gets an itch to do something fun. Also, don't forget to grab a chalk paintbrush, especially if she's like in the mood to paint like some patio furniture or do something fresh inside of her house. I would say the next amazing thing is to get an embroidery kit. It's something that she can take with her. I know some people would like to do this while they're in the car riding as a passenger, not driving. If your mom is into flowers, this flower press kit is really beautiful. I personally love it as a keepsake. If someone gives me flowers for times of grief or just sweet memories like anniversaries, birthdays, Mother's Day, this is really beautiful to preserve some flowers. Or if she is into keepsakes, look into getting this kind of scrapbook photo album or some sort of scrapbook where she can make her own and add on as she goes each year. Or this cute little bouquet handprint. I thought it was a little expensive. I feel like you can just make it your own, like go to Hobby Lobby or Walmart and grab a frame and do some hand stamps. But especially if she is a mom of littles, this is so precious to keep those little handprints alive. Such a sweet gift. Or better yet, this casting kit. I personally did one of these and I love it. I think it looks so pretty. You can keep it white or you can take it a step further and even paint it. But this one specifically is for babies, like under 1. But there's also some that are adult friendly, something you can do with your mom or something that you can have made for you if that's something that you desire as a keepsake. Now, if she's not like into like hands-on, like making clay or casting kits, or something that she can try is crocheting or sewing, things like that, especially for beginners. This modern crochet, honestly, it's beautiful. I love all things minimalistic like this, very aesthetic. That makes like a really great basket gift. Otherwise, if she enjoys those kind of journaling things, this modern watercolor book is beautiful, or you could even just get like a sketch pad. Sometimes it's nice as a mom to just be able to brain dump or get something artsy right there while the kids are playing. Anything that you can take with you as a craft mom, I feel like is excellent, because setting things up, especially with kids around, is like, I love when something's already easy to set up, easy to take down. And of course, if she's just into something simple, you can always just get her some coloring books. I love the ones with like inspiration messages or scriptures in there. This one is really beautiful. It's more of like an inspirational adventure. So especially as summertime's coming up, it's kind of fun to just be able to like go somewhere but not physically leave. And having some like dual markers or some beautiful colors or some new pens is such a treat. But at the end of the day, I would say a crafty mom, because I am very crafty myself. I had my own craft business literally called Craft More, like the love of crafting. But I realized that as I am in different seasons in my motherhood journey, sometimes what I love the most is doing something with me or like keepsake things. So things like photo albums, scrapbooking, making clay together. Honestly, those things for me in this season is much more enjoyable than like setting up a whole station of watercoloring and painting and canvas art and stuff like that. So I would encourage you, if you are the mom or your mom, that you find something to do crafty with her. So go make some pottery, go make some ceramics, take an art workshop together. There's even things online like Skillshare is one of them, but virtual art classes, something that you can pay for her to do to continue to explore her inner crafting heart, even if she's not necessarily in a Christmas season for it. Otherwise, if you're stuck, a gift card to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann's, which is going out of business, or anything like that with some sort of inspirational workbook along with it makes a really great gift basket. More than anything, your mom just wants those sweet keepsakes, those sentimental things. So I hope this helps you a lot. If you haven't seen yesterday's video about the plant mom, I will post it right over here. It's really fun. I loved a lot of those ideas. And then stay tuned for the next videos to come. But until then, happy shopping and happy Mother's Day to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.